This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.8-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. All Hyundai certified vehicles provide you with these exceptional benefits. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, a HomeLink system, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: xenon headlamps, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.